Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Instagram and choosing where you want smaller text: story, bio, caption, or a text sticker. Once done, paste or type the text you'll shrink. Make sure your device font settings aren't forcing large type. If they are, adjust in System Settings. You want the app's native controls to control size, not accessibility overrides. Now tap the text tool immediately so the size slider and pinch gestures become active and ready for the next step. You'll now use Instagram's native controls to reduce font size precisely. For stories or Reels text stickers, pinch inward with 2 fingers to make the text smaller and nudge with small pinch motions until it's legible yet compact. For bio or captions, use the text size slider where present, dragging slowly. Some fonts compress more, so switch fonts to compare. Once you see the intended smallness, reposition the text. Make sure contrast and readability remain adequate on different backgrounds. You're ready to finalize. Preview the post or story at normal zoom and from a slight distance to ensure readability. If the text appears too tiny on other screens, increase contrast, add a semi-opaque background box, or choose a condensed font that reads better small. If text won't scale down, check for device accessibility overrides or app zoom settings and disable them temporarily. Finally, post and test on another device. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.